The Ringling Brothers Circus is performing today in downtown West Palm Beach. There's going to be a few road closures, so be sure to avoid the following routes starting this morning. At 9 this morning, Narcissus between Banyan and 2nd Street will be closed. And then at 2, Flagler Drive between Banyan and Datura. Starting at 3, Narcissus between Clematis and Banyan will be closed. Also at 3, North and South Clematis between Narcissus and Flagler. Is this because the animals do their walk and stuff?
The big walk,
I think
sure.
it is.
Yeah,
Why aren't we on elephants?
We should be. It's tough enough just being out here by our lonesome